are so good. They only take 4 ingredients. I know, mind blowing. And your mom and dad will be surprised if you guys make them properly. And now the first step, we have to turn on our oven to 350 degrees. I know it seems like a lot, but it actually isn't. Okay, now it's on. Now let's start with the dry ingredients. The devil food chocolate cake mix, but that's actually going to be turning into a cupcake mix. First, now we're going to be making some Black Forest chocolate Black Forest muffins. There's a lot more than I thought there was. There. That's good. We can move that to the side. And now we have some cherry filling pie. A can of this. It's so good. Like I think off camera I ate a little bit too much. And we might need a spoon because it's actually kind of thick. Ugh. That is just gross. It should be done when you get all that cherries out. I think this is done. I only have one last cherry in there. And now we can throw this to the side. And now we have some vanilla extract. We only need, almond extract, and we only need a teaspoon of this. Make sure to tell your parents if you need help pouring this. It does get a little bit messy, like right there. But that's still good. Still a good amount. And now, 3 eggs. Ooh, that was so satisfying, right? That was like so cool. There. Now we can whisk this up and until it gets real smooth. And I will tell you when it's real done. The yolk's still alive. I can't believe that's still alive. It kind of gets a little bit tired because my arms are already kind of tired. It should get to this. You might have to shake off your whisk, and then it won't get dirty, and then your parents will be proud. Oh yeah, if you guys are still watching, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Now, let's pour them into the cupcake liners. Like our muffin video, we have to do the same amount. But these are a little bit thicker. We might need the spoon that we use later, and we might need to. And then you don't have to do a lot of dishes because I hate doing dishes when my parents say it. And now, the third step, we need to put in the cupcakes in the oven. And now we wait till 20 minutes and then they should be done. Let's wait. Now let's take them out. That's the last step. Not really like the last step. This is how they looked. Now let's get them out. Now let's wait until they're cooled off. Now let's decorate our cupcakes. We just need a little bit. And now we had a bunny and then we shaved it, a chocolate one. And now let's bite into it. It does take a while to open it. Let's take a bite. This is how it should look. count with him for sure.